Yeah, you want me to explain what an NFT is? An NFT is a unique digital record that is stored on a computer system called a blockchain. I'll come on to that in a second. Each non-fungible token represents the ownership of individual items or assets. NFTs can also be what's known as smart contracts because they can be programmed to act in certain ways. Remember, they're a record on a computer system. For example, imagine your NFT is a ticket to a concert and you're a VIP. So when you get to the venue, your NFT not only gets you in, it also gets you 50% off all merchandise and it gets you to the after party. And then it can activate some other benefits the next day, or it could self-destruct because the ticket is no longer worth anything. An NFT can even be programmed to give royalties to the creator every time it exchanges hands. Listen, the world's largest publisher are looking at this for the second-hand book market. The point is that the smart contract stores whatever terms and conditions come with the asset that you've acquired. Now, you can get these with paper tickets, of course you can, but that means getting the paper out and reading it. Whereas the point here is that the NFT is a computer program and will act automatically. So what? What are they used for and why do we need them? Well, in a digital world, ownership of a digital asset is difficult because digital files can be copied and shared around without anyone knowing who owns them. NFTs solve that problem. Here's how it works in 3 steps, and you need to know all 3 to understand the process. Step 1, let's imagine this. An artist creates a piece of digital art that they want to put into the public domain and they want to sell. Step 2 is the minting stage, what's called the minting process. This is where the NFT is created on the blockchain. The digital record, the NFT, will contain unique information about the piece of digital art, such as the unique fingerprint of the file, a token name, and a symbol. At the end of the minting stage, a non-fungible token is stored on a blockchain, and the artist is recorded as the owner. But this is where it gets important to understand the blockchain. This is the unique way of storing data that everyone can see and everyone can trust. If the NFT says that the owner of the piece of art is me, then nobody can doubt that it is me. And it's held in a way which is called decentralized, which means that it's not under the central control of one organization, institution, or entity. If I am recorded on the blockchain as the owner of an asset, then that is open to everybody to see, and it's decentralized, which means that there's no one entity that could go and tamper with that record and change it. The third step, to sell the digital art. So you've created it, you've minted it, now you want to sell it. Once you get your buyer and you agree that we transfer the token to the buyer by creating a transaction that is also stored on the blockchain. The NFT will now have a record of the creator, let's say me, and the new owner, say you. This is called provenance and shows the life of the token, who owned it, how much it was sold for, and any information that we want to carry that records the life history of that particular asset. Now, here's the thing that a lot of people get confused about. The artwork itself is not stored in the NFT or on the blockchain. The artwork is the artwork. You can hang it on your wall if it's a real life asset, or you can sit it in your folder on your computer. Only the unique attributes that identify, in this case, the artwork, such as the fingerprint or what's called the hash of the file, are stored on the blockchain. This is what identifies that unique piece of art by like its digital fingerprint. The point is that the NFT represents ownership of this artwork. It is not the artwork itself. But to be clear, while the token owner may own the artwork, the creator retains the copyright and any other rights they attach to the NFT. Now, if you think about it, this is no different to buying a Porsche or the Mona Lisa. You own the car or the painting and you can do whatever you want with them, but you don't have the intellectual property that goes into making a Porsche, and you can't go around saying that you painted the Mona Lisa. Despite all of the headlines that you're going to see with NFTs, it's not all about art. Most times when people say NFT, they think about cartoon apes or pixelated cats. NFTs have a much bigger utility than art. You're going to see that because they can be used to sell concert tickets, in-game items like skins and accessories. In theory, you could buy and sell a house using an NFT. The point is that NFTs are extremely useful, and in my opinion, they will be ubiquitous by the end of this decade. There are 2 reasons why I'm certain of that. One, Gen Z and soon Gen A, who turn 13 next year, are 100% digital natives. They don't know a world that isn't online, digital, and social. The second is that big brands are all over this. From Adidas to Nike, from Starbucks to Zara, I've tracked over 250 consumer brands that are all over NFTs, blockchain, virtual reality, Web3, metaverse, call it whatever you like. It's all emerging technology. I hope that's explained NFTs for you. That's probably all you need to know for now. If you want to know more, head over to my website, check out this link here, over to this website, and check out the brand strategy work that I've been doing around the 250 consumer brands in the emerging technology space. Thanks for watching.